If you are wondering if there is power sharing option available on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then the answer is yes. There actually is an option that allows us to charge other devices by using our phone. However, while we do have reverse charging option available, it is not possible to reverse charge wirelessly. So we cannot do this wirelessly. We have to use USB-C cable and connect our both devices together. So in this case, I have already my cable connected to my phone, and I'm just gonna plug it to this phone over here, to CMF. There we go. And in order to start charging, first we need to go to notifications, and then over here you should be able to find charging this device via USB. So let's unfold this notification and let's tap on it in order to go to preferences, and then scroll all the way down in order to find charge connected device. So I'm gonna just place my phone over here just so that you can see it. And if I enable it, as you can see, I am now charging. And I can just turn it off in order to stop charging. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!